Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. We're at the end of the season, almost finished, and there's an event on today. Now, I'm just going to pull over here and explain. Here in Les-Orres, they use the Les-Orres thing to benefit with kind of English stuff or whatever. For example, there is, hang on, let's get this back in. There is a restaurant down the bottom there, Dino's, which was called Les-Orres, as in dinosaurs and stuff. They had dinosaur logos and whatnot. There's other things as well, but today is the closed door, closing the doors. So I'm just away down. This is something that's happening down the main station, and I'm just going to go down, see what's happening with it all. So it's been organised by the Seasonaires Association, and apparently quite a big thing, not just for Seasonaires but for everyone that's here this Easter weekend. So let's go and have a look. Easter weekend, end of season, and the parking is still payable. First hour's free, so leave the Jag there just now, and the closed door. Go and see what's happening here. I know there's quite a lot happening, so we'll go see. So Les-Orres is waking up. There's a few skiers on the piste. The piste looks good. Restaurants firing up. A few people, weekenders mostly, coming here today. And this weekend, obviously. A lot of the snow is gone at the bottom here, but they keep the piste going right to the very end. I will be doing a video on Monday, the last day of skiing. I think today, probably going to be dodging music copyright. See how it goes. There's been some slaloms set up as well, some racers about. See this fella next in the queue, ready to go. And yeah, very crystally hard snow, but pretty good to ski on. And yeah, I think I've got permission to go and look at. This is this afternoon's kind of main ski event. I'll go and show you more now. So, this is new this year to Les-Orres. It's the Waterslide contest. Wow. A lot of work behind the scenes. And I take it that they're going to squirt down here, go through here, and they've got some kind of jump to finish off with. We'll see. As usual, I don't know, but I will find out. Get another look at this, the sun behind me. Yeah, they've got a lot of ice to take away. There's been a lot going on. So, Steve doing his stuff. And again, I gotta watch the music. So that was up there next to the sledge on rails. Down here in the main station, just in the main area down here, a few things happening. It's almost like summertime already with the weather. Still very cold, just passing 1 degree just now, but it's going to warm up to about 10 or 11 during the day today. Quite a lot of things, games for kids, market type stalls and stuff like that. Going to have a quick look in here. See stuff. Bonjour. I've got a lot of things. Not as easy as it looks. I think he cheated. But anyway, yeah, lots of good things, popular with the kids. Bit of target practice thing going on here. I think that's another one, the same sort of idea. Probably get it as close to, or no, getting it in the slots. We have another small stall here. Bonjour. Wow, a lot of precise woodwork's been happening here. Again, a lot of dogs about. So back to my original thing with having dogs in my videos. So this one's from a guest. Beautiful animal. Not too sure about this one. Maybe someone could make a comment. suggest what's here. Marbles and sort of dangly things. So, yeah, it's a good atmosphere here. A wee Skittles thing with a launch pad. And we're going to say hello to the guys over here as well. So this is where a lot of the organising's going on for it. Computers on the go, power supplies, and all the guys that are doing all this. So just at the end of the morning here, shops are still open for the weekend. Bit of a sort of last minute promo thing that's happening here. Although a lot of the ski shops are already turning over to display their stock for the summertime activities. So a few old skis up for sale, or newish ones as well. Bikes. More stuff going on over here. Haribo, I don't think they are Haribo, I think that's for one of the lodgement places down the bottom. So the Waterslide, usually from my experience in other resorts, it tends to double up as a sort of fancy dress as well. I think this might be a participant. Vous allez faire le Waterslide plus tard? Okay, so. Ouais. Okay, so quick view check. Looking north here, or almost north, over to the Parc des Écrins. Beautiful day here today, just a few puffy clouds about. Really clear and nice. Mountain opposite, missing most of its snow across the right, but up the higher parts obviously keeping it. So just looking here, and still a few folk going up and down, still skiing today. Obviously the ski resort itself is open. Ski school running here as well. And this fella heading off for his day of snowboarding. Right, so a rough summary this morning. I've got to nip away. I'm kind of alternating between stuff to do at work and coming down here, whatever. So the next one I'll come back in a wee while and we'll see what's happening this afternoon. So back up to 1850, just a quickie here. I back up for lunch and a couple of little jobs to do, as I say, alternating between work and what's happening down the road there. So just noticing a couple of British cars here, which means I'm parking the Jaguar here. Says going in and out the garage all day. I'm going to be coming and going. We've got 3 right-hand drive cars all together here with Pop the Jag. Okay, so the risky music here. I'll do the next bit. It's obviously music playing, so I've got to watch what I'm doing. But yeah, this water slide has started. Let's go and have a closer look. There is much strangeness about. They're big skis. The reason I'm a bit late is the actual parking down here was a bit of a nightmare trying to find a spot, and I'm parked well away. So there's a lot of people about. It's lunchtime, so restaurants are still filled up, but this is supposed to go on most of the afternoon. And yeah, this is just the start. Okay, let's see what this is about.
Oh, joli, oh là là. Oui, joli.
Hey.
Le but, pardon, est Tetra Hydrocar.
Ça va?
Sinon nos commerçants ils sont...
Bon, je veux monter le micro apparemment. Il y a du speed, ça se tient la main, c'est la fraternité. Allez! Ouais, ça part en triple, ils sont gourmands. Ok, n'oubliez pas ici. Ça arrive en short. Oh, disqualifié. Ça s'équilibre. Mais c'est très créatif, on adore.
Okay, music going on. I'm going to sign off quickly. Thanks for watching. There's lots more coming here.
Très très
Ciao.
Fort. Très très. Allez les gars, ça drop.
Okay, so the contest starts.
À la même. On est sur un Césos. Allez. Oh le serveur. Oh, numéro de tossard visible. Pendant que le 114 à droite. Non, il faut que ça soit les bouteilles. Hein. 87. Allez, le déguisos. Snowboard. Oh. Allez, ça arrive. Oh là, ça arrive tout torse nu. Oh. On va bloquer avant la finale tous ceux qui sont en haut, qui ne sont pas appelés. On se croirait en 2022 au lac de Serponçon. Deuxième tentative. Oh, ça arrive, attention. Oh, ça pose dans la... Oh là là, ça passe. Oh, c'est Valentin. Le numéro 93. Est-ce qu'on a encore des piles? Le 39, le 145, le 65, le 128, le 130, le 103. Il y a la... C'est la bonne. Alain Touré, question. Allez. 103, 6. Mais non. Waouh. Oh là 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 là. Les-Orres. Là, on vient clairement de... Qu'est-ce qu'il va nous faire? Un backflip. Oh, le backflip. C'est petit crémeux. Ok. Oh là 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 là, quelle exécution. Flat. Ouais. Oh là 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 là. Avec de la bouée. Oh là 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 là. Il a tout posé. Ça part en switch, ça c'est un beau switch. Ah, dommage. Allez. Underside tata. Allez, il arrive gangster. Ouais, c'est réalisé ce soir. La journée n'est pas finie, on a plein de facilité. Ouais, on a Antonin. Antonin, ça y est, il est rodé. Il fait ça comme si c'était... Attention. Ouais, on espérait un plat. Oh, oh là là, oui. Sur la clause de d'or, eh ben, il n'y a pas de doute.
Why is he still dry on top?
Ça drop. Ça largue tout fort. Oh là 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 là. À la coulos. Wall 1-8. Ok. Ça va nous arroser là. Voilà. Ça c'est ce qu'on voulait voir. C'est la clause de d'or. Thomas. Qu'est-ce qu'il nous fait? Oh. C'est ce qu'on appelle faire TD dans le jargon. Oh là 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 là. Bout. Allez. Machine. Ah, on le retour du service. Ouais. 2, 3. Ouais. Ouais. Gaël, il nous régale. Wow. Attention. Et ça. Le gagné, il est là. J'y crois encore moins. Ouais, et il faut mentir. Oh là 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 là. Oh. Pour la prisme. Ça va être un super moment de musique électro, donc il faut supporter les gens qui se bougent dans notre région, donc n'hésitez pas à le faire. Ça va être un super moment. Voilà, le petit top 3 de Waterslide. C'était quand même bien marrant comme événement. Est-ce que vous êtes là, les gars?